I want you to go to the website draw.io. I have included a link in your Google Classroom. So you want to click on Create a New Diagram. And you want to select the blank. I know the temptation is go ahead and select the flow chart, but we're just going to create a simple linear one. So you want to just go to blank diagram and do create. Now it asks you if you want to select which folder on your Google Drive that this should be saved. So normally I would do this because I like to have my Google Drive organized, and I recommend that you do it and put this in the same folder that you have this class. It would be basically under your classroom folder. But for now, I'm just going to do yes. If you do yes, it'll just save it anywhere on the drive, usually just right on the first page. So now it's loading, and it takes you to this. Now, mine automatically opened up in Drario because I've used Drario before. But the first time that you use it, it's going to ask you to allow and authorize. So you must go through the steps. It's going to ask you to authorize and allow several times. So go through it, and once you get to this page, top left corner, first thing you should do is name your work. So it's 1.2 flowchart, and I'm going to hit the rename button. Now we're ready to begin our flowchart. Just like it said in the book, the flowcharts start with an oval. So I click on the oval button. Now personally, I like to write the word start and not the word begin. The reason why I choose to write the word start is because when we are coding with the microbit make code, you notice that the first blue block is a start block. I'm sorry. So that's why I like to start with that. But you can also use the word begin. Now notice that there are these light arrows. So if I click on it, it automatically put the same shape and it automatically gave me the arrow. So I like the arrow. I'm just going to click on the shape and delete it. I'm also a little picky about this. I think the arrow is a little too big. So personally, I'm just going to bring it back a little bit. And I know my next shape needs to be a rectangle. So I click on it and I attach it. And I probably needed to move this over just a little bit to give myself room. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. There we go. Perfect. So do yourself a favor and start your shape over just a little bit. So in here, I'm just going to type grab toothbrush. There we go. And then very simply, I come here, I see the arrow, I click on it. Let's try it again. And I get my next shape. So I continue until I've done it. So pause for now, complete your flowchart, and come on back so I can show you how to turn this in. So here is my completed flowchart. You notice I started with an oval, put the word start. I have my 6 action steps, all in rectangles, and everything is connected with the arrows. And then I ended with an oval using the word end.